Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we will demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F150 that we have right here. That's the Ford guys that we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have a fuse for the trailer tow battery charger as well. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel, Free Car Repair. The fuse box that we'll need to work in will be the one right under the hood. When you open it, it's in the engine bay, right above the radiator, guys, and that's the fuse box, that's the cover. Once you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. You will be facing, okay, let me zoom out a little bit on this side, and this will be towards the windshield of your Ford F150. So now let's explain why it's important to test relays before we continue. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Those relays, guys, Ford Motor Company relays, could be hard to find sometimes, and they could be expensive even if you're driving through small towns or in the middle of nowhere. So I recommend always keep some in the glove box as a spare, because you never know when you're gonna need them. And we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. You have only 3 different kinds of relays, so that's, guys, okay, pretty simple. Just get some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. If you come in that row right here, the relay for the trailer tow battery charger is right here. If yours is equipped, you're going to have it right here. Specifically, ours wasn't, but if you have it, it will be right there, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.